to our lipstick. So today I'm just sharing with you a quick little Ulta, Sephora, and Walmart haul. So I just got some things at the mall today. It's right before Christmas. This video is probably not going to go up for a while, but it's right before Christmas 2018, and I decided to pop into Sephora to get the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick, the red one, for Christmas. And of course what happened was there's an Ulta there as well, so I stopped there and bought some stuff. And I just wanted to share with you some of the like staple things that I get from Walmart as well. So let's get into it. Let's share the kind of boring stuff first from Walmart. So this is the toothpaste that I use. This is the Crest 3D White Arctic Fresh toothpaste. I get the 3-pack because it's a lot cheaper to do it this way. So just wanted to share the toothpaste that I use with you guys. I also got a lash curler. I just got the cheap little $2 e.l.f. lash curler because I broke my Tarte one, which I love, but this was just a real cheap replacement and it works. I also got some of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This stuff is fantastic for removing makeup. I get the blue one because it's the waterproof one. Sometimes I wear a waterproof mascara, so I like to have this one. And then the last thing I got was my makeup remover wipes. I use the Equate Nighttime Soothing Towelettes just because I like the way that they smell. So I'm a big fan of these, and I get the 2-pack because, again, it's cheaper. Next up, I got only 2 things at Sephora, so let's share that. So like I said, I went in and I got the Fenty Beauty, what is this called? Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in the shade Uncensored, which is the beautiful red one. I recently watched a video by, I think it's Dennet Slava. I'll link her if you're not familiar with her videos, but she just did a beautiful Christmas makeup tutorial using this liquid lipstick and some winged eyeliner. It was absolutely gorgeous. I'll link the video if you're interested, but I just had to pick this up after that because I think that's the look that I'm going to do for Christmas. Then I also picked up the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. This one, just everything about this was calling my name. It's so gorgeous. I think the shades in here are just absolutely beautiful. It reminds me a lot of the Jeffree Star palette, but some of the colors are quite different, so I decided to pick it up anyway. Not that I need any more palettes. I got 2 from Ulta as well. So now onto the stuff from Ulta. Like I said, I got 2 palettes. One of them is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill. This is the Dark Magic palette. This is the one with the green and blue colors in it. So this is what this one looks like. And this, I just love these shades in here. I absolutely love blues and greens in my eyes. I have hazel eyes, so greens really make them pop, and I really think it's cool the way that blues look as well. So I really wanted to use this one. This is the only one that really interested me. And for 15 bucks, I figured I'd at least pick one up. And the other palette that I got was the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I swatched some of the shimmer shades in store, and I just had to have it because they were so gorgeous. So this is what this one looks like, and I just can't rave enough about how beautifully the shimmer shade swatch. This one is my absolute favorite, and the purple one is just gorgeous. This is a beautiful gold. I'm so obsessed with this, and I cannot wait to play with it. I also picked up the Milani Make It Dewy spray. This is a spray that I've heard a lot about, I think from the Taylor. I think this is one she talks about, but I can't remember. I know she uses the Catrice one, I believe, quite often, but they don't sell Catrice in store where I live. I don't know if they sell it in store in other places, but I have to get everything online, so I kind of went in hoping that I would find some Catrice stuff, but they didn't have any there. I also picked up the Makeup Revolution Concealer. This is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour Concealer. It's supposed to be like Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not a big fan of Tarte Shape Tape, and then I've heard some people like Tati say it's not at all like Tarte Shape Tape, so I did want to try it just to see what it was like. And last but not least, I got a nail polish. It was on clearance for $5.47. Regular price is $10.50. This is one of the leather-like finishes, which I absolutely love. It looks so good because like when your nails chip, you can actually paint over the chipped areas and it doesn't look weird like sometimes it does if you try to do that with regular nail polish. If you do it with the leather ones, you can't really tell that you painted over your chips. So that's why I love these, and this is just a beautiful pink one. I don't have this one. I only use OPI nail polish, and my nails look like crap right now, so please ignore that. I'm actually going to go get them done in about 2 hours, so but yeah, OPI is the only nail polish I use, and It's just my favorite, and I was really excited to get this on clearance. Alright guys, so this was my quick little haul of Sephora, Ulta, and Walmart things. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.